Let us pray for our 21 new cardinals, especially John Paul Vesco, Archbishop of Algiers, with the words of this letter of Pope Francis, these words so profound. Dear brother, with your elevation to the College of Cardinals, you will become a member of the Roman clergy. Welcome. That membership is an expression of the Church's unity and of the bond that unites all the churches with this Church of Rome. I urge you to make every effort as a cardinal to embody the three attitudes with which an Argentinian poet once characterized St. John of the Cross, and which are also applicable to us. Eyes raised, hands joined, feet bare. Eyes raised, because your service will require you to lengthen your gaze and broaden your heart in order to see farther and to love more expansively with greater fervour. To sit with John of the Cross at the school of his gaze, as said Benedict XVI, which is the pierced side of Christ. Hands joined, because what the Church most needs, together with the preaching of the gospel, is your prayer to be able to shepherd well the flock of Christ. Prayer is the realm of discernment that helps me to seek and discover God's will for our people and to follow it. Feet bare, because they touch the harsh realities of all those parts of the world overwhelmed by the pain and suffering due to war, discrimination, persecution, hunger, and many forms of poverty. These will demand from you great compassion and mercy. I thank you for your generosity, and I assure you of my prayers that the title of servant, deacon, will increasing eclipse that of eminence. Pray for me, and may Jesus bless you and the Holy Virgin accompany you fraternally. Francis in Rome, St. John Lateran, October the 6th of the year 2024.